Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Wow, I just forgot what my name was. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. It is good to do another live stream with you guys. Happy Tuesday to everybody out there. It is heating up. The crypto markets are warming up, my friends, and things are looking pretty darn good as of late. We are seeing some meme coins start to pump up, and so today I want to talk about some of these memes, and I kind of just want to go through a lot of Q&As. Maybe I'll even check out some meme coins that you guys want me to explore in this stream. Potentially. I got to be careful about that one because, you know, some of these meme coins come out with the wrong intentions, and some of them are all about community and having fun, making money. If you take profit along the way. We've been able to do that successfully on this channel. And we believe there are a lot of opportunities to do so, especially as Bitcoin continues to go up. Now, Bitcoin has been stuck around 63 to 64K lately, but altcoins in general are catching up. And so are some of the memes. So I want to talk about crypto.com and Kronos. There are some news stories that I want to share with you guys that I'm very excited about today. One story in particular from crypto.com that I want you guys to be aware of regarding one altcoin that I have talked about for a while now. I've done several videos on it, and crypto.com is now talking about it. I don't want to give it away, but I am going to talk about it in this video at some point. And so let's get through some of the news, what's going on today, and do a little Q&A. Welcome back, guys. Welcome, everybody. I hope everybody's having a wonderful and blessed day. Lot of activity in the chat right now. I know people are excited, just like me, about a meme coin revival, especially on Kronos. What's going on, guys? What's going on, y'all? Shout out to everybody in the chat. Crowfits, Eric, Mr. Khan. Interesting. HC, Eric, got Club Crow. I think I said that already. Coin Baron, Samanth. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I hope everybody's doing all right. WCBJ Wes. We got Wes in the chat. Hope everybody's doing okay. Again, throw any questions you guys have at me, and I'm going to hop into the stream and talk about what's going on in the crypto markets, because there's some news. There's some news. I didn't have time to prepare a crazy stream for you today, but I do have a couple ideas that I want to talk with you guys and just kind of celebrate this pump that's going on right now. I've got some Starbucks going on right now. Some Starbucks action. Sorry, hold on. Life's good, huh? Crypto's pumping. Feeling good today? I hope you are. I am. I'm feeling good. For those of you guys that don't know, many of you guys do know, I just had my first kiddo. It's been a journey. We're learning. We're learning as we go. And I know that that's, you know, crypto might just be your baby. And I've got two. I've got my real baby, and I got my crypto babies, which are all of the coins that I hold. And I am waiting for all of them to grow up. All of them to grow up to big, beautiful market caps, big, beautiful bags where we can take profit, create generational wealth for ourselves, hopefully. So let's dive in. I hope everybody's doing okay today. Love doing some live stream action. Will not stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Got some good sleep last night. Hope you did as well. Bitcoin today, $63,700. Decent. Had a little slip dip last night. Everything's coming back up. Portfolio is climbing again. I don't know about yours, but I'm seeing altcoins are starting to come back. And as has been the theme for a while, I want you guys to go to CoinMarketCap regularly and do your own research. And part of that research is just simply looking at the hot topics. They make it really easy for you on CoinMarketCap. Categories that are hot, memes, always at the top of the list. Still don't know what these repothecated categories are. The memes, let's actually see. What the heck is this? Okay, like wrapped coins. Irrelevant. Nobody cares about wrapped coins. I don't. But do pay attention, do your homework, guys, and pay attention to these different ecosystems. First of all, meme coins. Arguably started by the Solana trend. AI is a hot topic. Got some news going regarding one of the presidential candidates pumping Fetch AI is moving on up today. Something we talked about a couple videos ago. Been talking about Fetch AI more and more. Gaming tokens. I'm not a huge fan of gaming in crypto. I'm not a huge fan of gaming, but some of you guys might be. I think there's going to be some huge opportunities in gaming again It's a hot topic. RWA assets and deepin the Crypto Keeper. Wow, my guy. Thank you so much for that $20 super chat. He says, hey, Kip, get something for the baby from me. You got a deal, Crypto Keeper. I'll give her the world. I'll give her the world. Thank you for that $20 super chat, my friend. Much appreciated. You guys have been so generous lately, giving us little gifts for my little baby girl, the Crypto Kiddo, as we're calling her here on the channel. But welcome back, guys. So today, yeah, let's look at what's moving, what's not. Really appreciate you, Crypto Keeper, one of our moderators on the channel. I think you're a member too. I appreciate you. If you guys want to become a member on this channel, like Crypto Keeper or any of the other members in the chat, like Samanth or Coin Baron, you can do so signing up using the link in the description down below. You get access to our private Discord where you can talk directly with me and Black Sea. Admittedly, I have not been very present in that. Lately, I've been very busy. I've been putting out a lot of content and taking care of my brand new baby, as you might have seen by now. But thank you again for that super chat, Crypto Keeper. So if you guys want to support the channel, the super chats are amazing, but especially, you know, becoming a member on the channel to just join our community. We're continuing to grow this channel and put out more content for you guys. Legacy Legendman asks, is ALI, artificial liquid intelligence on Kronos, any good? I mean, it gets pumps. When Kronos ecosystem pumps, it probably will as well. It's hard to say. I just think anything associated with AI is going to be kind of like the metaverse coins in the last bull cycle. And I do want to focus in on crypto.com. Eric is saying, if she's born today, will you be happy? Like, no, but she was born last week. We're already good to go. We're already good to go. She's here. She's present. But memes are the topic I want to discuss because, as you can see, dog with hat. Pretty nice. Pretty nice to see dog with hat getting a beautiful pump over the last 7 days. But I do want to remind you guys this. It's still down from its previous highs. This coin got all the way up to $4.62, about almost to $5. Can it go higher than $5? Yeah, I think it will, because we are about to enter that parabolic leg up in this crypto market, and we are just starting to see altcoins gain some life again, and the memes. We do see a lot of, it seems like, Solana memes today, as you see, and Jupiter's not a meme, but you do see Jupiter pumping today. Jupiter, of course, has been below $1 for a while at a tremendous discount. Jupiter is the main DEX aggregator, I believe, for Solana. It's definitely a DEX. And this thing's still way far away from its previous highs as well. A nice easy 2x for you guys, and this one's likely going to take new highs as well. To think that Dog with Hat is higher in market cap than the main DEX that you can trade Dog with Hat on is crazy. I think that Jupiter is going to be huge. Probably bigger than Dog with Hat, but you never know because look at what Dogecoin did, right? But we see Floki coming up today. I know a lot of people like Floki. 16% moves for Floki. Again, Floki also still way down from its previous highs, as is every other meme out there. I don't think any memes, any big memes really, are breaking highs right now. They're all just kind of in recovery mode. So, that being said, we nailed it. We were correct in this channel in our evaluation of these crypto markets and saying, if the fear and greed index is at neutral, or it's in the fear levels, or it is in the red, then historically that is a buying opportunity. Okay, when Bitcoin was up at 70-something thousand dollars, 74K, we were in extreme greed. That's probably a take profit zone. Anything above extreme greed, that's historically a take profit zone. That is resistance. 80, 90 in the fear and greed index level, that's resistance. And it seems like in a bull market, 40 is kind of support. So keep that in mind. You know, if you're down in the 40s, no, it's probably a great buying opportunity. We're probably not going to see the 20s or the zeros. I mean, we've seen flickers of that before. If those are present, then man, oh man, do you have an incredible buying opportunity. But today is proof that if you buy in those lower zones, you will be handsomely rewarded for your bravery. And the same is true for some of those Kronos memes. Now, Servando Estrada in the chat is saying, Kip, loving my stacks. I am glad you're loving your STX tokens. And you, my friend, aren't the only one, because Stacks Coin is one of the top movers today. You got Pepe pumping. You got Bonk pumping. Actually, let's see. Jasmy's getting a nice rip. Very good for Jasmy. I know we talk about Jasmy quite a bit over the last 7 days. Let's see what's up here. Sui, getting closer to that $2 target as I discussed. Memes. Yep, Stacks is the top mover over the last 7 days, and I will be talking more about Stacks. Artificial Superintelligence AI. I've been talking about how this can go to $2 as well. In fact, it can go much higher. I think this is probably the #1 AI pick from what I've seen in the market sentiments here across the crypto industry, if you will. Love rolling my R's. What is Coin Bear now? Is that a new coin? No, that's been around. That's been around. That was pumping. Yeah, go over to, I'll show you here. Actually, I'll show you right now. So if you're trying to figure out, ecosystems and coins and things like that, Coin Baron, and Coin Baron, by the way, has his own YouTube channel. He's on his game. But you can go over to, categories. You can search by categories. You can also go to cryptocurrencies here on CoinGecko. I like CoinGecko kind of more than CoinMarketCap. I don't know why I don't lead off my videos with CoinGecko. I guess just out of habit. But if you go over to CoinGecko and you go to cryptocurrencies chains and you want to see more about, that AI coin that he's talking about, just go over to Kronos, the Kronos blockchain. It's the 20th largest blockchain by total value locked up, according to CoinGecko and according to DeFi Llama, which we like to look at a lot. But what you'll see is, hold up. Gotta go. So it doesn't show you here. You gotta click coins for some reason. Gotta click coins. Eddie J, welcome. Welcome as a member on our channel. Congratulations to you, my friend. That reminds me, I still owe you guys that loaded lion. I have it. I'm sorry. I have it. It's as good as one of yours. We have a giveaway. I owe you it. I know. Forgive me, but it's coming. I have it. I don't want it. I want you to have it, whoever you are out there. Eddie J, welcome as a member. More giveaways to come for members and just subscribers alike and people that follow the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. A lot of questions about that network. I don't know. I don't love it. No. Sorry, brother. Maybe I will. Hang around and maybe I'll take a peek at it later. So anyway, if you want to look at this artificial intelligence coin on crypto.com's Kronos chain, here you go. You can go over to, again, cryptocurrencies chains. It's going to start at all. Go over to coins, and you will see the top coins on Kronos. Obviously, Kronos is up there, along with some wrapped Bitcoin, wrapped ETH. Of course they are. Corgi AI is huge. Corgi AI was once above $1 billion market cap. Corgi AI was almost half the valuation of Kronos as a whole, which is crazy. But then, of course, you have artificial liquid intelligence coin, not a meme coin. Instead, it is a AI-oriented token. At least that's what it says on Kronos. I don't know a tremendous amount about this, but fundamental to the decentralized operations, governance, and growth of the AI protocol, the Ali token is a blockchain-agnostic asset that can be used for creating assets, providing liquidity, staking, transaction, AI services. So there you go, AI services for expanding, new offerings, new things on Kronos and other blockchains, not just specific to Kronos, though I think it was launched on Kronos. The highest price was back in 2022. That was over 2 years ago. And you can kind of see some of the info about this, and I think you can see even, it probably will say like when it came out. It probably came out about 2 years ago, but let's just see here if it'll show us on the chart. Yeah, it probably came out right around this time, I'm thinking. But it's been around for a little bit. 2022, that's a while ago, guys. It's basically 2 years ago. It's over 2 years ago. It's 2.5 years ago. So, if you're into that AI play and you like Kronos, maybe this play on Kronos you're gonna like. I've seen this thing pump. Think back to February, March when everything was pumping. This was pumping. Think back to and then March of 2024 again. I guess this thing likes to pump out of the gates in the beginning of years. So we've got a bull market post-halving year coming. This thing's probably gonna get another pump, and it is, what is it now? It's at 1 cent. It was at 12 cents at one point, at 12x from previous highs. Who knows if it's going to go to those highs again? It looks like it's kind of in a wedge. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing definitely go up to, let's see, I don't know, like a good 3-4x from here. So, these kind of plays, you kind of get in, you kind of get out, you make some plays with it. But an AI coin like this one, it's a little bit bigger than that other one. But again, welcome Eddie as a member. If you guys want to become a member on this channel as well, you can join Eddie and all the other members and access our private Discord. When you link your Discord to your YouTube account through Discord, go into Discord, log into your YouTube through Discord, and then you get access to our private Discord automatically. So check that out if you haven't done so already. And then, of course, we've got a lot of coins pumping, and these are prime times to make a long trade if you want to, whether it's on a meme, whether it's not on a meme, you could do so. If you want to sign up for Blowfin, guys, this is a new and upcoming exchange. No KYC required. I like it quite a bit. And you could do, you know, a lot of different coins on here. You could trade, let's say, Pepe if you wanted to. Boom. You could open up some leverage trades on that. This looks like it's moving through its 60-day moving average. Could see some resistance here. Could get a pump. We're coming up towards the end of September. So far, September's bullish against all the odds. And that is looking extremely bullish for crypto as a whole. Fed rate cuts were great. There's a lot of reasons that we're pumping. And so as long as Bitcoin keeps coming up, we're going to continue to see numbers like this out of altcoins, in my opinion. That's historically what we've seen every single time. You guys know by now that what we like to do is look at Bitcoin, wait for Bitcoin to take a new high. Currently almost at $64,000 right now. That's great. Let's see here. Didn't mean to go to the 3-hourly candles, but that'll do. This thing's probably actually going to move up here soon. This looks like maybe we're going to even test out to like 68K. So if you guys want to leverage trade or even just use the spot trading functionality on Blowfin, you can sign up using our link. Free money when you sign up if you want to check it out. So check it out. But again, as Bitcoin continues to break out, you're going to see the total market cap for crypto break out. Look at this total market cap, guys. It's coming up in a big way. Coming up in a big way. As for when we're going to have a real breakout zone, it does depend on Bitcoin, but you can kind of look at just a simple little trend line. Like if we can see total market cap break through this blue band, I think that we're going to easily see this thing back to 3 trillion. Once we get 3 trillion, we might see some resistance there, but we're probably going to break to new highs. It depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's coming up upon some of the most bullish months. You guys know this as well in the history of the asset. Let's, you know what we haven't looked at in a while? We haven't looked at the Bitcoin liquidation charts. So let's just take a peek at that real quick. Look at this, guys. This chart looks great. There are still some liquidations down here, you know, around 62. So don't be surprised if we slip back down there. But what I like to do really is on this chart, zoom out and look at the big picture, because I don't really love the short-term time frames now, unless you're trading right now, which is great. I think you can make a lot of money trading. You got to be careful with that. You got to take profit. I'm looking at the big time frames, which says that these billions upon billions of dollars, approximately 50 to 60 billions of dollars, above $70,000 waiting to be liquidated. They're probably going to be liquidated at some point because Bitcoin is moving up. And again, when Bitcoin moves up, altcoins do as well. Over the last 24 hours, we're not seeing a lot of red coins. Only coins that are really red are ones that have been pumping lately, for the most part, with the exception of this Unis Sed Leo coin, which I don't even know anything about. I don't really care about this one too much, though. It is ranked number 19, which is crazy. Perhaps I should look into that one. But anything that's coming down today was a recent pumper. Caspa, surprising to be down, but it's a little bit of a buy the rumor, sell the news event after the Caspa memes have been pumping, and those Caspa memes have been pumping. Congratulations to all you guys that got in early on those and made some money. I hope you took some profit along the way. And Kronos is actually one of the top losers today, only down 1.2%. It's a stable coin for now until this parabolic rally begins and the Kronos token will take off. First bull market ever that the Kronos token has existed. The Kronos chain has existed. And I say Kronos token existing. Kronos token was usually called crypto.com coin until it rebranded. And so just get ready, guys. We're going to have a great bull market. So what we're seeing right now is good. There is life for the memes on Kronos. Just check it out. Here you go. We were looking at this yesterday and it's still finding more moves to the upside. We did get up above this 402 cent level, which was absolutely beautiful. And what I want to share with you guys is I've been calling this. I've been telling you guys that I believe this could happen. Don't believe me? Go over to my Twitter. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, CryptoKipTweets is my Twitter account. And I want to know, once you make it in crypto, would you rather have a Lambo or Mudang, the pygmy hippo? That's a tough call. I know. but I have been talking about this. First of all, Oscar Ramos, a legend. Shout out to you, Oscar. I hope you're doing well, brother. I had a good time with Oscar and Zach Humphreys down in Austin, Texas for that consensus conference. That was fun. But, you know, we're urging Crypto.com and Chris Marszalek to consider listing this thing because day 28 for him, asking them to list Mary for good reason, guys. For good reason. One, we're coming into a parabolic time for not just crypto, but the traditional markets as well. Time for life-changing oil. When the S&P 500 is ripping, you probably want to get ready for stocks and Bitcoin to print massive gains as well. This morning, my brother-in-law messaged me saying that he is up tremendously on an options trade for Alibaba because markets are pumping. Everything's up. Everything's pumping. S&P 500 is rallying to new highs because the Fed pivoted. And so Bitcoin is following that same pattern. But back to the Mystery Mary token. I've been calling it, guys. You know, 70K Bitcoin is just around the corner. You'll blink, we'll go to 80 and 90K, which is why here comes the explosion for Mary. Yesterday I called this. We were looking at this little breakout zone. We were down at 4017. And then just overnight, guys, this is 19 hours ago, I messaged this out on Twitter. And just 24 hours later, look at the beautiful green candle that we have. Now, what might be surprising to some of you guys is Crow with Knife is not quite pumping yet. I still think that it will, but it's not pumping yet. Arguably, Crow with Knife had a really nice run, and I think Mary has its time to shine. It has been ranked number 1 on Dex Screener for a while, signaling that there's more activity, more interest in this right now from the Kronos users. Don't take my word for it. Just look at Dex Screener. It's been ranked number 1 for a while. I'm super bullish on Crow with Knife still, but Mary, it's where I got my money. I put my money where my mouth is. I'm not telling you guys to buy this coin. I'm just reporting the news on Kronos, telling you guys what I have and where my thoughts are. I think that this whole ecosystem can pump, but we just need to see Bitcoin continue to the upside. But yes, I am so bullish. I've been talking about Mary lately. Again, I tweeted 2 days ago, you know, am I the only one ready for Mary to explode to the moon? This chart looks delicious. And delicious it was, as it is getting a pump today. Now, here's some really big news from Crypto.com that I wanted to share with you guys, though I'm a little disappointed, and I'll tell you why. First of all, I'm super excited. I'm not going to take away from this because this is huge for a couple reasons. One, Crypto.com is paying attention to Munib.btc's creation stacks, the Bitcoin Layer 2 solution, DeFi on top of Bitcoin. And you know what? I went to his account and I was just looking around yesterday, and then I saw that Crypto.com tweeted out that Stacks is now available for on-chain staking in the Crypto.com app. Start staking to secure your favorite blockchain while earning up to 8% rewards. This is pretty darn cool, guys. You can start earning interest on your Stacks tokens through Crypto.com, and I applaud Crypto.com for paying attention because Stacks is going to be huge, guys. It's going to be massive, in my opinion. It is DeFi on top of Bitcoin, and them offering this is twofold. One, knowing that people want to trade Stacks, they've had it listed on their exchange for a while. Now they've got the staking available to incentivize people to keep it on their platform, to continue trading it on that platform. That's a smart strategy. I love to see it. Two, you know, I don't know. I'm bullish. I don't know what 2 was, but what I'm disappointed about with this, though, is that I went to Crypto.com to try to stake the stacks that I've got right now on Crypto.com, and I couldn't find the option. So they've got it, apparently, though I can't see how to do it, which is silly because I know a lot about crypto and I know how to use the app, but I just don't think it's available yet. Maybe it's a US thing. I don't know. I messaged support on Crypto.com, so when I find out what the deal is from them, I will get back to you. I messaged them earlier this morning. I haven't even checked. But it's not just, you know, Mary, right? It could be artificial liquid intelligence coin that pumps. We're waiting on the Kronos ecosystem to take off, and it will when Bitcoin continues to move to the upside. So there's a lot of other coins in Kronos. I know that some people out there are having some of the really small cap coins, which, you know, at one point I was trading like, where was it? At one point I was trading minted coin, only a $3 million market cap. If Kronos starts pumping again, this NFT coin's probably going to pump again. Pharaoh was pumping at one point. Kronos ID, for some reason, Kronos ID gets some insane pumps. Mystery Mary token climbing up in rank. Tectonic coin, I'm still bullish on that one. VVS Finance, I'm still bullish on that one. It's the largest DEX on Kronos with the token associated with it. Maybe you want to play the AI game. Maybe you want to get into some of these other coins. There's a lot of coins on here. I don't know about Finance anymore. I heard that like they shut down or something recently. Oh, there you go. Coinbearing can confirm that Stacks Earn is available in the EU, not in the US. What the heck, man? We got to get that available in the US. I want to stake my stacks, and if not, I might move it over to DeFi because I'm just leaving interest that I could be accumulating on the table. If I were to take it over to the Xverse wallet, which I just haven't done, I could do it. I could take it over to my Xverse wallet, and I could earn 8% very easily. That would be spectacular. I think it's 8% they're offering right now. And you know what? Crypto.com probably isn't even going to offer you 8% unless you do like a long-term staking, so something to be aware of. But what I like about it is that they're paying attention. They're paying attention, and that's a beautiful and important thing. Now, T-Mum is asking, will Brett go up to $1? I do believe that Brett is going to have a pump. Wait, oh, Brett to $5, you asking? Where's Brett right now? Go over to the base chain. Let's go over. So right now, this base Pepe is huge. Where's Brett? Brett is slumping right now, to be honest with you, which is surprising. In fact, why isn't it even up here trending yet? There it is. Will Brett go to $5, yes? No. No, it will not. It will never go to $5. It will never go to $5. That's, well, let me take that back. Never's a strong word. Okay? But it probably won't go to $5. It's at an $841 million market cap. This is the most important thing for you meme coin traders out there to understand. Market cap, market cap, market cap. Who cares about price? You should care about market cap. Brett does look like it's coming up. And by the way, Brett right now looks awfully similar to the Crow with Knife chart, the Mystery Mary token chart, and a lot of these other charts. They all look the same. Everything's coming up because Bitcoin's pumping. Can Brett go to $5? Well, Brett could certainly get back up to its previous high at 20 cents. I think that's extremely achievable. I think the Coinbase chain, the base chain, is going to be a very successful chain. I think the memes in that ecosystem are going to pump. I don't know which ones are going to be huge, but I certainly know that Brett is probably the top meme right now on the base chain in terms of popularity, notoriety. You know, the dogecoin or the shiba inu, if you will, of the base chain. So something to pay attention to. I've got $500 worth of Brett. I don't have a ton of it. I've got a little bit. I put in $1,000 worth that's worth $500 now. I didn't DCA into it because I just wasn't playing that game with this coin. I do like to DCA and HODL, but typically on coins like Stacks and some other meme coins that I have high conviction on. I have higher conviction on the potential upside for Mary than I do on Brett, believe it or not. Not to say that I don't think Brett's going to have upside. I just think Mystery Mary token and Crow with Knife could have more because their market caps are much lower. Again, my point being, Brett token is at an $841 million market cap. If it's going to go to $5, you're literally asking for it to add a zero, that's 80 cents, add another zero, that is $8. So you're literally asking for it to about 60x from here, a 60x. Let's just pretend this is at $1 billion market. You're looking for Brett coin to go to like 40 to 50 or 60 billion dollars in market cap. Could that happen? It could happen. It could happen. I don't think that it's going to happen, but it could happen. It's possible. I think the more likely candidate to go to 50, 40, 60 billion dollar market cap is Dogecoin again, first of all, which was at one point at 88 billion. Is Shiba Inu, that at one point was at 40 billion already. And is Pepe, because I think it is the meme coin narrative for this entire bull market. There's so many copycat Pepe coins. Again, look at base chain. What's the number one coin on base chain right now? It's this Pepe mimic coin. So can Brett do it? Maybe. But I mean, I would just be looking for a nice simple 10x or a 5x out of this thing. That's plenty. That's plenty. A lot of people are asking me, how many Crow coins is enough Crow coins? Well, it depends how much money you want to make. Because I believe, and you guys know this by now, that Kronos is going to go for anywhere from $2 to $5. Very simple reason for that is because, as I've laid out for you guys many times, if you look at the CRO token, and you just compare it to Binance, one of its biggest, most alike competitors. If it goes to the current market cap of Binance at some point in this bull market, you're looking at a $3 CRO. That could happen. But let's just say it only goes to $2. How many CRO coins do you need to be a millionaire if CRO coin goes to $2? The math is quite simple. It's 500,000 CRO coins. Okay? So with 500,000 CRO coins, I believe you can become a millionaire from CRO in this bull market if it plays out like I believe it will. Main reason I believe that Kronos is going to go to these levels is because, one, it's a major exchange, and two, if you look at what another major exchange like Binance has done with having an exchange, launching a chain, and the token associated with that chain being the gas token for that exchange and that chain, I think Kronos is going to do the same thing. So maybe Kronos doesn't achieve the previous all-time high for Binance, though maybe it does. $2 to $5, I think, is a reasonable prediction. I think $1 is in the cards. So let's just say Kronos only goes to $1. You need 1 million CRO coins if you want to become a millionaire. If $100,000 is your goal in crypto, well, then guess what? You really only need 10,000 CRO. Okay, so I mean, like, that's something to consider, my friends. Wait, that's not true. Excuse me. If you want to make $100,000 on CRO, if it goes to $1, you need 100,000 CRO. Excuse me. I misspoke. But AI plays are hot, you know. You're seeing one of the presidential candidates talking towards, you know, hey, we're going to be pro crypto, we're going to be pro AI, and, you know, kudos to the artificial intelligence and digital asset sectors. So what do we got? Of course, you see Fetch AI, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Is that what it is? Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Yes. Pumping today. A little bit. It's up over the last 7 days. So pretty darn good. Club Crow says he'll take profits on Crow when it passes BNB. Could happen. I mean, I don't think it's going to flip Binance. I used to talk about that. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe one day in this bull market. I don't expect Crow coin to actually flip and surpass Binance, but I do expect Crow to surpass the current market cap of Binance. At the time that Crow coin gets to these levels and gets to an $88 billion market cap or something, Binance is probably going to be half a trillion or something. You know, Binance is huge. So keep it in mind. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't do financial advice. Thoughts on LA crypto? Talked about that already. Hopefully Brett goes up, but $5 is crazy. So let's see. Hey, $5 could happen. I don't expect it to happen. You know, but if you want to have some fun with it and look at it, you know, you could start to look at like what Brett coin needs to pass. Like if Brett coin were to flip Shiba Inu, it's all-time high. You get to $4. Could that happen? It might. I'm not going to sit here and wait. I'm not going to sell anything until $4. That would be silly. If you're waiting for a 50x, then you're probably going to fail in crypto. You can keep some crypto for that 50x, but you better just have a moon bag of it. And by moon bag, I mean you sold some on the way up and you kept some in the pile in case it keeps going up. It's a hedge against your bet, right? Some people are diamond handers forever. Those people don't take profit throughout a bull market, and that is a mistake. I've made that mistake in the past. That's why I can say this. In my first bull market, I didn't take hardly any profit. I don't think I took profit. I think I tried, put it back in. First bull market didn't go well for me. Second bull market did tremendously better. And then this third bull market, after this second bull market I was in the 2021 pump, I made some money. Yeah, I did good, but I reassessed and I should have done better. And then we decided to start the channel because from all the lessons that me and Black Sea learned, we wanted to come out with content that's relatable and telling you guys it's okay to make mistakes. It happens, okay? If you're an entrepreneur, you're going to create a bunch of businesses that are going to fail before you have one that succeeds. And if you're a crypto entrepreneur and trader, same is true, unfortunately. You're going to have some bad trades before you have some good ones. So you just got to learn your lessons along the way, but take those lessons from me. Take those lessons from Black Sea and get better along the way, guys. This bull market's been spectacular. As you guys know, I've already paid off 2 cars. I've kept a lot of my money in crypto. Black Sea's taken slightly more profit, but he's still got a ton in crypto. But we've been able to change our lives already in this bull market, and I hope you've been able to do the same. And if not already, you've still got a lot of opportunities to do so. Again, because this total market cap is going to follow Bitcoin. When Bitcoin takes a new high, which inevitably will happen, we'll see this thing rip, and we'll see our memes go up. Welsh is getting a nice pump today. I'm waiting on a big Welsh pump. This meme I love. I'm so excited about Welsh, which is a meme coin on Stacks. 7x away from its previous highs. You know, I got a big bag of that, and I got a small bag of Brett. But I do have a big bag of the Mystery Mary token as well, which is also quite far away from its previous highs, approximately 3.4x at the time of this recording. And it's climbing. It's climbing. We're feeling good today. All right, guys. What else is going on? What else is going on out there? How you guys doing? What questions do you guys have? I know I keep getting questions about this Gary network, and I'm going to look at it. I feel like I've looked at it before. I'm just going to look at it. It's a $3.5 million market cap. It's the 1,400th largest crypto out there. It's on a couple major exchanges. It's on crypto.com, which is interesting. And it's the largest Web3 live streaming platform. There you go. There you go. Live streaming platform. There's some competitors out there. Can this be successful? You never know. You never know. Who knows? Who knows? It's pretty new. If you look at the all-time chart, this thing's been around at least since 2022. The start of 2022 crash and never done anything since. Will it? I don't know. I don't really care about this coin personally. There's too many other great coins out there to buy. So I talked about it, and I don't love it. I don't hate it, though. Okay? Do your own research, always. Crypto Keeper also made the mistake of not taking enough profit last time. Not this time, he says. That's right. You got to learn from your mistakes, guys. Beautiful Game has a question. When the altcoin season get here, is it noticeable that people will know when we are in altcoin season? Yes, you will know you're at altcoin. Here's the secret, okay? You want to know when to take profit in crypto. You want to know when an altcoin season's happening. When you are watching the chart go up and you can't believe it, okay? When you're watching Bitcoin rip to new highs and you just can't believe the gains that Bitcoin's making, and arguably, I still can't believe it. It's amazing. I mean, I guess I can believe it. I have always believed in Bitcoin since I found out about it, increasingly so over the years as we've seen the trajectory of this asset class and the excitement amongst institutional investors, amongst world powers. You will know when the altcoin season is. You will know when to take profit, my friends. If you have a portfolio or a chart that you are in that is good enough to take a screenshot of. And I'm not talking about a screenshot like this where you're like, I'm super excited about Mary going to the moon. I think it's going to pump. This isn't the screenshot I'm talking about. This is just content for Twitter, the excitement to rally around a coin that I love, the community loves, I think, in Kronos. That's different. What I'm talking about is when you take a screenshot, the kind of screenshot that you want to show to your wife, your friends, your family, if you're into that kind of thing, and show and brag about your crypto profits and show how impressive your gains are. If you're proud of it and you want to save it for the record books, and you're super proud enough to take a screenshot, it's probably the opportunity for you to take some profit. So please, don't miss your opportunity to take some profit, my friends, because I love you, and I want you to make some money in crypto. What other questions you guys have? Again, shout out to Eddie J. Thanks for joining as a member on the channel. And shout out to the Crypto Keeper for his super chat. Much appreciated, my friend. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. What else is going on, guys? What other questions you guys have before I scoot? Awesome to see Dog with Hats pumping, Floki, Pepe, Stacks. What else is kind of moving up today big time? A lot of coins moving. A lot of coins moving. Everything's green. Bitcoin's green. Going into October. Uptober, we call it. Why do we call it Uptober? If you don't know this by now, you should. You should. Look at the data. Facts are facts. Historically, we pump in October. Boom. 22% average, 46% average. Oh, the beautiful game with a beautiful $20 super chat. Thank you, my friend. Much love to you, my guy. Blessings. Blessings. Give him some blessings. Thank you very much for that. I'm stealing John 3:16's thunder. Thank you for your super chat, my friend. Much appreciated. But yeah, get ready. Get ready, guys. We've got the data. Use this data to your advantage. Know that the Q4 gains are typically pretty darn good, especially in a post-halving year. Or post-halving. Gains are great. Gains are historically great. We're not even in Q4 yet. We're probably going to have some kind of... It's probably not going to be a red Q4. That would be ridiculous. There's just no way in my mind that it's going to be a red Q4. It's going to be a green Q4. Is it going to be 168% kind of Q4? Is it going to be a 56% Q4? Is it going to be a 215% Q4? I can't predict that. Though I do believe it could be over 100%. I believe. I got a feeling. I get a tingle in my feet. Sushi Satoshi in the chat. Welcome back, legend. How you doing? How's that sushi cooking? How's that sushi cooking, brother? This guy has been around for a very long time. Shout out to you, brother. I hope you're doing. Just popping to say wasabi. How you doing, man? Oh, man, I actually want sushi so bad. You just inspired me. My mouth is watering. I want some sushi. I want to go visit you in your sushi restaurant, brother, and try some of your sushi. I want to try some of your sushi, brother. Those pictures look great. Khan in the chat. Hey, Kip. Always great vibes. You're great vibes, Khan. You are the legend. I am your humble servant. And I love you. Thank you. Life is good. Crypto's pumping. I got a baby girl. Going to create some generational wealth for her in crypto. I hope you guys are going to do the same. What beautiful super chats we had today. Shout out to all you guys that took the time out of your day to join us on this live stream. We have 35 likes. Just do me a favor. Tap the like button on your way out. I got a jet. I got some work to do. Much love to all you guys. We'll keep the vibes coming. We'll keep the gains coming. Get ready, guys. Q4 could be great. 2025 should be great. I'm ready for some gains. Are you? Let me know in the comments down below. That is all I have for you in this one. Thank you again, the beautiful game, for that wonderful super chat. Thank you to the Crypto Keeper, and welcome to Eddie J, the newest member on our channel. If you want to become a member on our channel like Eddie J, do so in the link in the description down below. You get access to our private Discord. That's all I got. Till next time, y'all, I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, make a ton of money, take some profit, retire early. See you in the next one. Peace, y'all.